Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you something that I made. So I did see that some people like to use my build of ST, or some others like to use my just DWM or dmenu. So I did split them up from my dot files. So I still have them in my dot files, but I made a split repo for ST and DWM and dmenu. So you can just get ST, for example, you can just clone the repo and use ST. You don't have to clone my dot files. Okay, so I cloned the repo, just clone the repo and cd into st. If I list the content, as you can see, I have a patch directory. I keep that in there so you can see what kind of patches I did apply to st. As you can see, the alpha patch, the box draw and clipboard, copy URL, and the color scheme is Dracula, and scroll with the mouse. And okay, everything is in the README, how to install it, how the configuration and different patches, all of that stuff, and how you can install it in Arch, Void. I am going Debian, FreeBSD, OpenBSD. Okay, and some dependencies for ST and for DWM, for dmenu. Okay, so all you have to do is just do make, and it will make. And if you don't see any errors or warnings, that's great. And all you have to do is just sudo make and clean install, and you install it and start using it. Okay, you can custom configure ST or any of those Suckless tools. You can define your own fonts, box, border pixels, not box, and the opacity you can just define it in here. I have it to 0.6. You can lower it or whatever. Anyway, you can change the colors, and you can pretty much customize it to your liking. So that's it for ST. Let's go to DWM. Again, file list the content. As you can see, we have patches. If I go to the repo, as you can see, okay, I haven't made a readme for it, but when I release the video, the readme should be completed. Okay, so you just do make. Of course, you want to change the configuration, because you can change the keyboard, because that's important, because I have a different layout. So that's should be changed. So I have some custom configuration in here, so you can change it however you like. All right, and let's quit and do make, and we don't see any errors. That's good. So sudo make and clean install. Okay, but before doing make, you have to be sure that you have all the dependencies installed on your specific distro. Okay, that's cool. Let's go to dmenu. dmenu is the same thing. Okay, I made a repo for it too. So you just cd into dmenu. If I list the content, you can list the patch directory. If you wanna see what kind of patches I did apply to dmenu, see alpha patch, centered, Vakila, and grid navigation. I can show you. I have just one column and multiple 6 lines, I think. Yeah. Okay. I can show you. Config that def. Yeah. This one has the 4 lines and 2 columns. You can change them to your liking. You can change the font, of course, the colors, the background, and the alpha. I showed this in a previous video, how you can change the opacity. Okay. And if you want this dmenu centered, or you can change this to 0 if you want the at the top. Okay, let's go. And same thing, you just make no errors and sudo make and clean install. Okay, and that's it. You can get whichever one you want, and you don't have to download the whole .files to get just one of them. Alright, I think that's it for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.